Hey, Tiff.
Guess what?
What?
I got us a new pet. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and I'm here with Ben. We are both here with the new GoGo bird. There's actually two of them in here. You can't really see, obviously. We'll take them out of the cage, don't worry. But I want to thank the company so much for sending these to us for free to check out. It looks like we have a little green bird and a little red bird. And these are birds we're going to be flying around outside. So let's unbox these and then we will check them out. So here are the two birds out of the package. Ben's is ready to go. They're just very lightweight plastic, and then they have like this plastic frame. We have the controller here.
Super windy right now.
Yeah,
too, so
this will be very interesting. Okay, ready? Go.
You just threw yours down. Uh-oh. Almost got it stuck in a tree.
Nice. This bird flies so good. Yep. All right, so I think these are pretty cool little toys. I think the dogs like them a lot. Oh my god. Well, anyway, I think we're gonna go play with these some more. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we will see you next time.